Happy holidays, everyone. Ho, ho, ho. Please join me for a holiday ukulele jam session Sunday, the 19th of December, 12 noon, New York City time. Join me live or as a replay. There's a link down below to a free songbook. Look forward to making music with you all. In the event that we have a power outage, I will announce it and we'll have a rescheduling, but all things going as planned. We're going to play some music for about an hour and celebrate the season. I hope you are doing well, and I'm looking forward to making music with you. Thanks for watching my videos. Appreciate you being here and making music with me. Let's celebrate. I'll see you Sunday the 19th, live or as a replay. All blessings to you and your family.